Hello everyone, we are Shanghai Grepack Packaging. We specialize in manufacturing filling machine, labeling machine, and packaging machine. We are founded in 2002 and have more than 23 years of experience. Our products goes worldwide. We've exported our machine to more than 80 different countries. And today what you're looking at here is a packaging machine. It is mainly used for packaging small volume liquids such as raspberry juice, blueberry juice, fruit and vegetable drinks, and etc. This machine has a speed of 60 packs per minute. So as you can see right here. And it has a fully servo control system, a very precise positioning, and a smooth operation. So this machine is perfect for food and health product industry, and it can pack something like this.